A wolf was crossing a river one day when he came across something unusual. He had never seen anything like it before. It was a bright arc, shining in the sky. The wolf stopped to take a good look at it, but the rainbow didn't respond. The wolf kept swimming, and soon he was close enough to touch it. He reached out his paw and touched the rainbow. Now, wolves are known to be very intelligent animals, but this wolf was a little different. The wolf was so surprised that he let out a loud bark. She was smiling at him. The wolf felt a little embarrassed because he realized that he had been outsmarted. The girl was the one who had made the rainbow appear. He learned that it wasn't always a good idea to question things he didn't understand. The girl continued to visit the wolf sometimes, and they became friends. She would tell him stories about the human world, and the wolf would tell her about the adventures he had with his wolf pack. He knew that he had been a fool to try and touch the rainbow. The girl, seeing that the wolf was sincere, forgave him. He had used a prism to reflect the light from the river. Then he shook himself and started to swim back to the original place. He wasn't satisfied with just looking at the rainbow. He wanted to get a closer look, so he did something crazy. He jumped into the river and started swimming towards the other side. As he was swimming, he looked up at the rainbow and said, "Hey, you up there, I'm coming." And do you know what happened next? The rainbow disappeared. When he got there, he saw a little girl standing on the bank of the river. The girl asked the wolf, "What were you trying to do?" Feeling embarrassed, replied, "I wanted to see what you were doing there." The girl laughed and said, "You silly wolf, that was just a trick I was playing. I was just having fun." The wolf, feeling ashamed, apologized for his behavior. From that day on, the wolf became a lot more humble. If you want to hear more stories like this, stay tuned.